Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Nash, so nice to see you, connect with you. I really miss you guys. I hope you guys are all doing well and doing some fun things at home. Today, this is for the gold group. So this is language, okay? This one is just a little easy activity for all kids. This is helping to build your vocabulary, okay? This is helping overall vocabulary. And with overall vocabulary helps all aspects of language. So everything, it encompasses everything with language. So I'm hoping you have some Legos. I don't have any at home. I'm hoping you do. If you don't, then you be creative, and maybe you can just get Play-Doh if you have Play-Doh, and instead of building it, you kind of create it with Play-Doh. So you can try that, or if you don't have Play-Doh, you can draw. Okay, so when some of it says like build a house pet, think of about a pet that's in your home, and then you can just draw it. Okay, so Legos, no Legos, Play-Doh, no Play-Doh, you can always draw. Okay, and when you draw, try to use crayons or something to make it a little bit more fun than just a pencil if you have crayons. Okay, and then so this is just a vocabulary activity, so you can choose any one that you want. You can have mom or dad or grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, whomever, to read you some options. Maybe you just start with 2 options, maybe there's 4. There are a lot of different activities that you can choose from. So start small, okay? Only start with like 2 options, all right? So pick whichever one you'd like to do for the day, all right? And if you can, like say you choose this one, it says build a tower as tall as you can, so the concepts here are tower. Okay, well first build, okay, build. Let's look at the word build. All right, so build means you construct it. Okay, you use your Legos to put it all together. And when you're putting it together, you are building. Okay, so build a tower. A tower is very large building. Okay, it's very tall, which is our next word. Tall is this way. It's not this way. This is wide. Okay, this is tall. Okay, so build a tower or a building as tall as you can. Okay, so just use the blocks and keep stacking them up, and see how tall you can get it. Okay, all right, so build, I like this one. Build something with your eyes closed in 5 minutes. All right, so set a timer. All right, and then just close your eyes, and you can even start with 1 minute. If 5 minutes seems like it's a long time, you could start off with just 30 seconds or a minute and just have the blocks in front of you. Close your eyes and just start to put the blocks together. And then when you're done, look at the blocks and try to figure out what you built. Come up with a name for it, okay? All right, so I like these because they're giving you some category words too. Remember the green group? How we put words in a specific category or specific group. All right, so there are some of them here, like build a house pet. So think about animals that may live in your home. Okay, next one, build a farm animal. So think about a farm. What animals can you think of that live on a farm? Cow, chicken, horse. Try to think of one. Be creative. Choose your own. Choose which one you want to do. Okay. There's build a dinosaur, build a wild animal. So as you know, there are lots of different choices for you. Okay, and I hope this activity is fun for you. Remember that it is focusing on vocabulary. And then also to build your sentences, you can also take your little construction that you had built and take it to somebody and tell them about it, and practice good sentences too of explaining what you built. Okay, I hope you have fun with this activity. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Again, I miss you guys so much, and I hope to see you soon.